Hello everyone, so today we are going to make some delicious veg fried rice and some veg ball manchurian. So in a big plate, I've taken some 2 cups of cabbage and a cup of carrot which are finely chopped. I've used a chopper for this. And then I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour and about 2.5 tablespoons of maida to it. And later on I've added some black pepper powder and some salt to taste. Now the salt is the regular salt which is available in your market. Now you will just have to mix these ingredients gently. Do not over mix them, do not press them too hard or add water to it because the vegetables have moisture content in itself, and make them into neat roundels. This has to be fried in hot oil, so I've just done the same in the next step. Do not over brown them, they have to be golden brown and really crispy as shown in the video. Now for the fried rice, we are going to add some oil and ginger and of course some onion bulbs and some onion leaves to it. Later on you can add some cabbage. This is about a cup of cabbage. They are not shredded too finely, they are just randomly cut. And of course some French beans to go with it. This is also a cup of French beans. And then I've added about half a cup of carrots to go with it. They are also finely chopped. Now apart from this, I'm just going to mix all these ingredients so that the oil is coated well with my vegetables. Now I'm adding a little bit of sugar to enhance the taste. Time for us to add some capsicums to go with this. You can very well skip it if you don't like it. Capsicums are supposed to be added at the last, so please make sure that you're not doing it at the first itself. Now comes our seasoning. I've added some black pepper powder and some regular salt to go with it, and make sure to mix these ingredients carefully before you add the rice. Now I added some soya sauce to go with it, and then comes the 90% cooked rice. Do not cook the rice fully because this has to be fried well, so only 90% cooked rice should be added. Now for the veg ball manchurians, I have added some oil in a pan, and then comes our ginger and some onion bulbs. You can also add garlic if you wish to, but I have not added here. Now the next step is to add some onion shells, and next is the capsicum, which are also cut in shells. Please make sure that you're cutting them into shells so that the taste is coming off well. I've added some red chili sauce at first. This is the Ching's brand which I've used. And next is the normal tomato ketchup or the chili tomato sauce. And then I've added some dark soya sauce. If you have the regular soya sauce, you can very well add about 2 tablespoons of it. Otherwise, just add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. And next is the Wingreen's chili garlic sauce, and I've mixed them gently. Please make sure to cook it in high flame and then add the water. Chinese food should be always cooked in high flame so that you get the taste for the same. Now I'm just going to season it with salt, and you can also add some black pepper and white pepper if you wish to. Let it cook for a while and then add the corn flour slurry so that the mixture becomes nice and thick. Now as soon as you do that, add the veg balls which we have prepared and then coat it gently with our gravy. That's it, your veg ball manchurian is also ready. Our fried rice and our veg ball manchurian is now ready to be served. Enjoy!